I end today trading section with just $10. But before I go to the full gist of how I make the $10, let me tell you the 6 things you need to know about binary trading. The first one is short-term option. In binary option, there is an opportunity to make profit in a short period of time. It depends on the execution period you choose for yourself, and they are clearly spelled out in the broker platform window. You can also trade a classic option that expired in a week or even months, but it is going to be difficult in tracking the trade progress. To make a forecast for such a period of time, a trader must have a lot of experience and knowledge. For short-term trading, it is enough to follow the news and know what impact it will have on a particular asset. Second is minimum risk. The amount of stake, profit in case of winning, return in case of loss. All of this is displayed on the platform in the contract before buying the contract. There is no commission and everything is transparent. The third thing is continuity of trading. A trader can open and close trade at any time when it seems to him that his forecast is correct. The fourth thing is the short-term and long-term position. It is possible to combine those trades, which ensure you against unnecessary loss. This is one of the principles of hedging. Short position can be opened severally per hour, while long position can last a week. It is recommended to invest large investment into long-term trading, but only if the market has been analyzed. It is better to use short and long position for successful trading. The fifth one is you can trade varieties of assets. A trader can choose any trading asset of their choice. Today you can choose to trade commodities, tomorrow you can choose to trade indices, the next tomorrow you can choose to trade currency, the next tomorrow you can choose to trade anything that you wish to and the one you are best in. The sixth thing is no commission. Trading security eat up most of your income due to commission, but in binary all the winning goes to you. These are the 6 things I want you to know about binary option. And in this video I'm not going to be analyzing charts today because the chart is not really good, and the trade I took, I was not like chance to screenshot it because the trade is like kind of risky, so I have to be focused on the chart, so I forgot to screenshot and analyze it. Though I started the day with 191 and I ended it with 200 or 201, I guess. I just made additional $10 profit. So tomorrow by God grace, I hope the market is going to be good and I would remember to screenshot and analyze it with you guys. Though I screenshotted one or two, but one or two is not enough. Maybe I'm going to combine today and tomorrow charts together and analyze it with you in my next video. If you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button for daily content. Till tomorrow. Peace.